Welcome to Bright Beginnings at Home, where little minds shine and big adventures start. I'm so glad you're here. Today's spotlight letter is L. L is for lion. Lions are known as the king of the jungle because of their majestic manes and brave nature. Did you know? Lions live in groups called prides and love to rest together under the warm sun. L is for ladybug. Ladybugs are small, colorful insects with spots that make them look like tiny superheroes. Did you know? Ladybugs help gardens by eating pesky bugs that can harm plants. L is for ladder. A ladder is a tool with steps that help you climb up high to reach things, like a treehouse or a tall shelf. Did you know? Ladders come in different sizes and are very useful for both kids and grown-ups. L is for leaf. Leaves are nature's green helpers that come in many shapes and sizes. They change colors in the fall. Did you know? Trees use leaves to make food through a process called photosynthesis, which keeps them strong and healthy. L is for lollipop. Lollipops are yummy, colorful treats on a stick that come in many flavors. Did you know? Lollipops can be round, heart-shaped, or even in fun patterns, making them extra special. What is your favorite L word? Let's trace the letter L. First, put your finger on the number 1 at the top and move your finger down the dotted line. Next, place your finger on the number 2 at the bottom, then move your finger at the bottom across the dotted line. You did it!
Hooray!
You can pause the video and practice again and again. Parents, use this guide to help your child write the uppercase L with pencil and paper. Happy writing! See you next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.